All right. Test of the GoPro 12 Hero 12, whatever, in black on the chest mount. Let's go.
Yeah, the cows are sweet.
Chewy. He the boy. He the good boy. Dogs. What are you doing? He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Oh, yeah. Dogs. Seriously. Stop it. Mutilda, Mulissa, Hobbit on Wheels wants me to tell you they love you. What you think? Huh? What? Pepper, get out. What do you think? Hey, come on. All right. You're such a big freaking pasture puppy. Hi, Moose. What's up, big dude? Oh, yeah. Didn't you guys already eat? There. Have some hay. Hey, you two. Come here, baby. Oh, yeah. I'm murdering that child. He's put a snowball in my ear. Man, I hate running. What's the matter, Bradley? What's the matter? Good boy, Chewy. Good boy. Good boy. Stupid goat. Leave Luna's food alone. All right, Luna, go ahead. You have your own food. That is not dog food. Good girl. Good girl. I will poke you with this freaking pole. You hear me. I know you do. There's not a thought in between those ears. Don't do it. Crystal, I will bop you. All right, I'm going back up to get to work.